So we'll calculate the area of a parallelogram and its perimeter. This is the ABCD is the parallelogram. We'll calculate its perimeter and the area. Formula for both of them. So the perimeter will be equal to 2 into A plus B. 2 into A plus B. These are the sides of the parallelogram. And the area A will be equal to small a into h. H is the height of the parallelogram. This is the base. So we'll multiply it to get the area of the parallelogram, where AB are the sides and h is the distance between them. Now we'll calculate the perimeter of circumference of a circle whose radius is r. So r is the radius and the perimeter circumference will be equal to 2 pi r. The area of the circle is pi r square. This is the formula for calculating the circumference, and this is for the area of the circle.